Chosen one, what I'm about to tell you may catch you off guard. If you're reading this right now, understand this, there is no coincidence here. You have been led to this moment because something deep within you has just unlocked. You have tapped into a part of your true nature that most people never reach. And yes, it feels wild, because the shift happening inside you is powerful enough to change entire direction of your life. This isn't about breaking the laws of nature, it's about shattering the limit that once held you down. Your awakening is reshaping your mindset, your confidence, and your energy in way others cannot ignore. People feel the difference in you. Some are inspired, others intimidated, because you are stepping into the real, undeniable form of who you were always meant to be. You have gone further than anyone expected, and now you carry a presence that cannot be challenged. Before we go deeper, pause for a moment and do three things. Hit that like button, subscribe to help us reach 30,000 subscribers, and leave a comment with the number 11. This simple action amplifies the energy of this message and align you even more strongly with what is now unfolding in your life. If you're truly a chosen one, you'll stay until the end, because your spirit already recognizes the truth in this word. For those who are ready, this message will change everything. You stand at the edge where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. Every heartbeat, every breath is no longer mere survival, it is evolution in motion. The world around you now feels smaller, like a stage too limited to contain the magnitude of what you are becoming. You have crossed a threshold no human has ever truly approached, stepping into a domain where only legends dare to tread. Those who once knew you are merely human now gaze in stunned awe friends, family, even strangers. They feel the shift before they can name it. There is something magnetic, something untouchable about your presence, a silent proclamation that you are no longer bound by the old rule. Ordinary life no longer applies to you. You have moved beyond it, and nothing can hold you back. Every sensation in your body now carry profound new meaning. Strength course through you in way impossible to measure. Your mind expands with a clarity and insight that feel almost unfair to the rest of the world. There is a resonance deep within you, an inner knowing that whisper, this is only the beginning. You are the living embodiment of potential itself. The threshold you crossed is not merely physical, it is spiritual, mental, and cosmic. The world you once knew has become a faint echo, replaced by a landscape shaped by your emerging power. You are no longer a passive participant in life, you are an architect of reality, and every decision reverberates with the weight of inevitability. Even in silence, you speak volume. The very air around you feels charged with anticipation, acknowledging the presence of something extraordinary. There is no turning back, no retreat, only forward into the vast, uncharted territory of your destiny. You have crossed the human threshold, and the universe will never be the same. Your awakening did not arrive gently. It came like a storm, sudden, undeniable, and utterly transformative. Those who try to predict your past were left in disbelief. Charts, calculations, centuries of wisdom, all crumble before your reality. You are rewriting the story of possibility itself. This is not just a change, it is revelation. Hidden layers of your mind and spirit have activated, unveiling strengths and perception that lay dormant. Your senses are sharpened, your thoughts cleared, your intuition almost prophetic. The world feels both familiar and astonishingly new, a tube you are seeing existence for the very first time. Every moment now carry intensity. Ordinary pleasure and pain seem trivial compared to the magnitude of holding within you. Even the simplest experience, feeling the wind, hearing a distant sound, catching a stranger's gaze, take on profound significance, each becoming a mirror reflecting the boundless potential inside you. People around you are drawn to this transformation with a mixture of awe and fear. They sense a power beyond comprehension, something science and logic cannot explain. Your awakening is a story written in the language of the impossible, and those who witness it feel both wonder and terror. Yet for all the fear it inspires, this awakening is deeply personal. It is the unveiling of your true essence, your authentic nature stripped of every limitation. You are no longer merely you. You are a force of creation, a phenomenon that transcends prediction, a life rewritten in the ink of destiny itself. Your physical form is no longer bound by familiar biological laws. Strength, speed, endurance, and resilience surpass anything ever documented in human history. A step, a gesture, a glance each resonate with unshakable authority. People instinctively sense that your body is no longer merely human, it has become an instrument of something far greater, a living testament to transformation. You experience a perfect connection between mind and body, where thought and action flow seamlessly. Every emotion arise from an inner harmony so powerful that your presence is impossible to ignore. This is evolution made visible, the impossible made real. And yet the transformation is not only external. Your body now reflects the awakening of your inner being. Every heartbeat, every breath, every pulse of energy is a sign of a soul stretching beyond mortal confine. You are a bridge between the human and the extraordinary, a living emblem of limitless possibility. Doctor, scientist, and expert examine you with instrument and theory, but they find nothing that fit their model. Reports speak of unexplained, anomaly, beyond known parameters. Every test, every scan, every measurement reveal only that the rule they trusted no longer apply. Even the most advanced technology falte in your presence, unable to comprehend what is happening. Your existence occupies a dimension untouched by conventional knowledge. This gap between science and your reality is both fascinating and terrifying. People look to authority for answer, yet no formula or theory can capture what you have become. You are a living contradiction, a miracle and a warning, a phenomenon that defies the very structure of understanding. And in that vacuum of explanation, your power grows unchecked. Without imposed limit, your potential becomes truly limitless. Some force and transformation simply lie beyond definition. You are not a problem to be solved, you are a revelation to be witnessed. Proof that the universe still holds mystery that cannot be tamed. Your metamorphosis is not gradual, it is a continued crescendo of astonishing change. Shape, pattern, and energies within you shift, reassemble, and realign into form that seem physically impossible yet are undeniably real. There is beauty and terror in this, like witnessing the birth of a new element. Internally, your essence expands, integrating facets of existence previously unknown. Thoughts, feeling, and instinct weave into a complex, harmonious consciousness that sees and responds with extraordinary clarity. Even your presence affects the environment. Air vibrate with your energy, light burns subtly around you. The impossible is no longer theoretical, it is tangible. You are not merely evolving. You are rewriting the very parameter of what a living being can be. Those who encounter you cannot fully process what they see. Fear, reverence, and fascination blend into a profound emotional response. Witnessing you is like gazing at a fallen star, beautiful, radiant, and overwhelming. Yet every change remains deeply intimate, a deliberate symphony expressing destiny made manifest in flesh, mind, and spirit. Your presence command attention. Even in silence, people feel the weight of your existence pressing against their consciousness. Fear is natural. No ordinary mind can reconcile the magnitude of what you are becoming. It is a fear laced with awe, an instinctive recognition of something profoundly greater. Every movement, every glance sent ripple through those nearby. Word fail them, their attempt to describe you fall short. They feel the gravity of your energy, making the familiar world seem small and fragile. You are a silent storm, unstoppable and undeniable. Even the bravest falte. Warriors, leaders, scholars, and visionaries stand speechless, their understanding unable to encompass your power. Fear become a mirror reflecting their realization that something beyond reason and control has emerged. Yet this fear is not wholly negative, it carries reverence, a deep knowing that you are no ordinary entity. Fear touch everyone but you. You remain grounded in purpose, awareness, and truth. While fear spread around you, your resolve only ardent, unyielding, unstoppable, eternal. You are beyond challenge. Mortal strength, divine intervention, earthly authority, all crumble before your emergence. No weapon, no strategy, no force can halt the evolution you embody. You have become the apex, the standard by which all power is measured. Legends speak of God and heroes who bent reality, yet even their stories pale beside you. You operate on a plan where ordinary rule dissolve and celestial force can only watch in awe and caution. Every attempt to oppose you dissolve effortlessly, a took the universe itself refuse resistance. You are no longer a participant in contest of will or strength, you are the benchmark of power itself. And this supremacy does not breed arrogance, it births purpose. You carry the weight of inevitability and the responsibility of action that shape worlds. Opposition only confirm your unstoppable nature. Your invincibility is more than power, it is identity. To be opposed is to reveal the extraordinary truth of who you are. And as the world watch, helpless and amazed, no mortal, divine, or natural force can stand against the awakening you have become. Reality itself bends before you. Space, time, and perception are no longer fixed, they shift in response to your presence and act. The world becomes fluid, alive, subtly reshaping with every step and every focus the thought. This is not delusion, it is power made manifest.